So hello and welcome guys, this is Ashutosh, your host, and today guys, I welcome you all in this new video tutorial session of basic electrical engineering. So guys, today we are going to discuss some numericals, okay, how to find average and RMS value of different waveforms. So we will see. So guys, हम देखेंगे कि आप कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं एवरेज वैल्यू, चाहे वो वोल्टेज हो या करंट हो, ओके, साइनोसॉइडल वेव फॉर्म का या किसी भी वेव फॉर्म का। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस। सो गाइस, बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस, द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ ए वेव फॉर्म आप जो फाइंड कर सकते हैं, द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन ओवर हियर। आप देख सकते हैं गाइस, द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ ए साइकिल of a waveform is the area under the waveform divided by the length of one cycle or time period. So guys, basically average value जो voltage का यहाँ पर दिया गया है, mathematically आप express कर सकते हैं। Okay, this is the mathematical formula for that. You can see over here, V average equal to 1 upon T integration 0 to T V into dt, where V is the instantaneous value of voltage for sinusoidal waveform. Okay, so see here, and that will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi V into dt. So T is the total length of one cycle. But guys, we will have to remember one thing for a sinusoidal waveform. Okay, if we are calculating average value for whole cycle, means for interval 0 to 2 pi, so the average value will come 0. The average value of voltage and current becomes 0. So guys, यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है कि कभी भी आप एवरेज वैल्यू अगर कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं किसी भी साइनोसॉइडल वेव फॉर्म का जिसका कि टाइम पीरियड 2 पाई है, 0 to 2 पाई जो एक साइकिल कंप्लीट होता है उसका जो पीरियड है वो 0 to 2 पाई है। सो गाइस, यहाँ पर उसकी वैल्यू जो है या एवरेज वैल्यू है वो 0 ही आएगी। सो गाइस, इसीलिए किसी भी साइनोसॉइडल वेव फॉर्म का जो एवरेज वैल्यू है वो हाफ साइकिल के लिए ही कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, सी गाइस हियर, okay, these are all sine waves. Since it is full sine wave, the total area under the curve is 0, as half of it is above the positive axis and half of it's below the axis. So hence the average area of the curve is 0. Hence over the complete sine wave the average value is 0. So guys, इसीलिए आपको यहाँ पर टाइम पीरियड पाई लेना पड़ेगा। So let's see. So let's see guys, this is the sinusoidal waveform. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, see guys, okay, this is the sinusoidal waveform and the complete time period of this waveform, this is one complete cycle from 0 to 2 pi. So time period becomes 2 pi. Okay, so guys, यहाँ पर आपको एवरेज वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है अगर, तो इसका टाइम पीरियड पाई लेना पड़ेगा। फॉर हाफ साइकिल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एवरेज वैल्यू फॉर दिस साइन वेव। Okay, so the time interval will be 0 to pi, and then use the formula 1 upon T integration 0 to T I dt or I d theta or d omega t. So guys, यहाँ पर देखिए, the standard equation of alternating current I is equal to Im sin theta. This is the instantaneous equation of current. So put the value over here. Okay, so I average equal to 0 to pi. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर पाई के लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द एवरेज वैल्यू फॉर 0 to pi interval. So 0 to pi, put the intervals, then I d theta upon pi. Okay, and this pi is the time period guys. So Im and pi, so put the value of I equal to Im sin theta, then Im upon pi जो है वो that will be outside, and then integrate sin theta d theta from 0 to pi, and then the integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, and then put the limits. Okay, so minus cos pi minus cos 0. So guys, यहाँ पर minus cos pi जो है वो +1 हो जाएगा क्योंकि cos pi -1 होता है। Okay, and there is negative, okay, it's minus sign already there. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, एंड गाइस यहां पर भी माइनस माइनस cos 0 1 होता है, तो इसलिए और माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा, सो गाइस यू कैन आल्सो कैलकुलेट इट. सो इट बिकम्स 2im अपॉन पाई, एंड देन ओके आप यहां पर लिख सकते हैं गाइस, सो the average value will be equal to 2im upon pi. so ये 2 जो है ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. okay, so twice the maximum current upon pi, and then you can write I average equal to 2im upon pi, and that will be equal to 0.637 im, and that is the average value of current 0.637 into maximum value of current. So guys, basically RMS value भी आप find कर सकते हैं. We will see later how to calculate RMS value. And this is the formula for form factor. You already know it is defined as the ratio of RMS value upon average value. And what is the RMS value of sinusoidal waveform? 0.707 im. Okay, or im by root 2 divided by average value 0.637 im. That is 2 im by pi, and इसका जो रेशियो होगा guys, the ratio of this will be equal to 1.11. for sinusoidal alternating current 1.11 is the form factor. So you can see over here. Then guys यहां पर देखते हैं, see here, for average value for half wave rectified wave. So guys this is called, जो second wave form है guys, आप यहां पर देख सकते हैं, this is called the half wave rectified wave. So guys this is the output from a half wave rectifier. Okay, you know the rectifier rectifies AC into DC, it converts AC supply into DC supply. So guys here is positive half cycle is there. Okay, from 0 to pi there is a 1 half cycle, but during pi to 2 pi there is blank. Okay, no cycle will be there. Okay, no cycle is there. So guys, and then ये वाला जो साइकिल है गाइस, ये 2 पाई से रिपीट हो रहा है. द वेव फॉर्म इज रिपीटेड अगेन फ्रॉम 2 पाई. सो गाइस द होल पीरियड, द टोटल टाइम पीरियड विल बी इक्वल टू 2 पाई. सो गाइस हमें केवल ये याद रखना है कि किसी भी पीरियोडिक वेव फॉर्म के लिए, जैसा कि ये साइनोसॉइडल वेव फॉर्म है, ओके दिस इज द साइनोसॉइडल वेव फॉर्म, यू कैन सी जहां पर एक प्लस हाफ साइकिल है और एक माइनस हाफ साइकिल है, तो यहां पर गाइस एवरेज वैल्यू 0 आएगी अगर आप कैलकुलेट करते हैं फॉर फुल साइकिल from 0 to 2 pi. So average value will be equal to 0. So if there is any periodic waveform, so don't calculate for the full cycle. Okay, only calculate average value for the half cycle. But guys, this is non-periodic waveform. Okay, so here the total time period will be from 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. So total time period will be 2 pi. So guys, just put, okay, so we know V average equal to 1 upon T, 0 to T, V m sin omega t, or V, that is instantaneous value of voltage, into d omega t or d theta. So guys यहाँ पर आपको लिखना पड़ेगा 0 to pi के लिए और pi से 2 pi के लिए. So guys basically from 0 to pi, so 1 upon T means 2 pi. 2 pi is the time period. See here, 1 upon 2 pi means 1 upon T. So this is the time period 2 pi, and then integrate 0 to pi Vm sin omega t d omega t plus, guys आप यहां पर लिख सकते हैं plus from pi to 2 pi. From pi to 2 pi the value of voltage is 0. So guys it becomes 0 d omega t. इसीलिए guys, okay, so this integration during this interval from pi to 2 pi becomes 0. So guys no need to write this. Okay, so just integrate from 0 to pi. So guys 1 upon 2 pi ये हो जाएगा, Vm बाहर चला जाएगा guys, minus Vm will be outside, and then okay, so sorry, sin omega t का जब भी आप इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे guys, so there will be minus cos omega t, and then put the limits pi 0 to pi, and then it will be equal to Vm upon pi. You see, so this is the average value of half wave rectified wave. So guys you can easily calculate. Then guys this is the similar I average. Okay, the earlier one was for average voltage, and this one was for average current. So guys, again same formula, the integration would be carried over from 0 to pi interval. So guys, from 0 to pi, I d theta upon 2 pi, same formula is applied. Then Im upon, put the value of instantaneous current, I equal to Im sin theta over here. Okay, then Im upon 2 pi will be outside from the integration, and then integrate from 0 to pi interval. And sin theta, the integration of sin theta becomes minus cos theta. So guys, now put the limit 0 to pi, and then it becomes Im upon pi. And then calculate the half wave rectified form factor for half wave rectified alternating current. So guys, RMS value we will see it in the later part. Okay, RMS value होती है half wave rectified wave की Im by 2 और average value होती है Im upon pi. So guys, ये जो आएगा, the answer will be equal to pi by 2, and that is equal to 1.57 for half wave rectified wave. Okay, then we will see guys what is RMS, how RMS value of particular waveform is calculated. So guys, you can see over here IRMS or I effective. Okay, we already discussed the definitions. Okay, in our previous video, you can go through my video. Okay, and you check this out. So what is RMS value? आप देख सकते हैं guys, IRMS or I effective equal to, this formula is under root over 1 upon t 0 to t I square into dt. So guys, this is the formula. Okay, there will be under root 1 upon t 0 to t I square dt. So guys, now we will directly go to our slide and then find out the RMS value of a sine wave. So guys, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं for a pure sine wave. Okay, this is the sine wave, and then you can take the total time interval up to 2 pi. Okay, so you can see I equal to Im sin omega t, and since the wave is to be squared, okay, the negative part of the wave during pi to 2 pi would also become positive. So guys, because this is the squared wave, okay, we consider squared wave I square for RMS, and then this negative part from pi to 2 pi of the wave during pi to 2 pi would also become positive. So guys, the RMS value over the complete cycle will not be 0. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है guys कि हम RMS वैल्यू में I स्क्वायर वाला वेव फॉर्म लेते हैं. So guys, ये जो वेव फॉर्म है ये I का वेव फॉर्म है. ओके, सो I स्क्वायर का जो वेव फॉर्म होगा, इसका मतलब ये I स्क्वायर यहां से इस तरीके से बनेगा guys. ओके, दिस विल बी द वेव फॉर्म ऑफ आई स्क्वायर. सो गाइस, जब कभी भी आप ये नेगेटिव का आप आई स्क्वायर करोगे, दिस इज द नेगेटिव साइकिल फ्रॉम पाई टू 2 पाई. So whenever you square this waveform, so guys, the result will be positive. इसका रिजल्ट जो है पॉजिटिव होगा, और इसीलिए guys RMS वैल्यू जो है फुल साइकिल के लिए from 0 to 2 pi के लिए it will not be equal to 0. So guys, now we will calculate. Okay, so use this formula IRMS equal to under root of 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi I square d theta or d omega t, where theta is equal to omega t. So guys, now just you have to integrate, put the value of I, which is instantaneous value of current, and then I equal to Im sin omega t. So it will be squared. So guys, under root 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi I square m sin square omega t d omega t. And guys, there is a formula in trigonometry. आप देख सकते हैं sin square theta or sin square omega t will be replaced. So you already know guys, this is the formula. आप जानते हैं cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So guys, sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This is the formula. You already know. So just put the formula, okay, in place of sin square omega t, there will be a formula 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2. Okay, so this has been replaced. Okay, sin square omega t has been replaced by this value. So guys, now it becomes, now just integrate from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so guys, then after integration you will see, okay, here it will be omega t minus cos 2 omega t the integration of cos 2 omega t will be equal to sin 2 omega t upon, okay, and then in denominator there is 2. So the formula is used, and then the value will be equal to Im by root 2. So guys, you can just calculate, okay, and do for yourself, and then the value of RMS value equal to Im by root 2 आप देख सकते हैं guys, यहाँ पर इसको आप calculate कर लीजिए. So this will be your Im, this will be your RMS value. So this is Im by root 2 or 0.707 Im. So guys, here you can see half wave rectified wave का RMS value आप कैसे find कर सकते हैं. So see guys, the formula is similar, and this is okay, this is the half wave rectified wave. So the full time period will be from 0 to 2 pi. See here, the waveform starts from 0 to pi, and then pi to 2 pi it is 0, and then it starts repeating again from 2 pi. So guys, total time period will be 2 pi. See here, total time period. So under root of 1 upon 2 pi, see here, I square, that is equal to, okay, that is equal to Im sin theta, and then put. So guys, यहाँ पर आपको दो पार्ट में इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा इंटीग्रेशन को, क्योंकि फ्रॉम 0 to pi दिस इंटरवल, ओके, दिस इज द इंटीग्रेशन, प्लस आपको लिखना पड़ेगा फॉर दिस इंटरवल the waveform is 0, the value of current is 0. So guys, automatically during this interval the value of current is 0. So guys, इसीलिए केवल आपको इंटीग्रेट करना है 0 to pi इंटरवल तक के लिए. So guys, this will be the formula. Just put Im square sin square theta d theta 1 upon 2 pi is the time period, and then 0 to pi will be there, and then just convert it sin square theta. Okay, use 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So the 2 in the denominator will be multiplied by this 2 pi. So this will become 4 pi, and then just integrate this. So it will become theta minus sin 2 theta upon 2. So guys, it will be equal to, you can see, Im by 2. The answer will come, okay, under root of Im square by 4. So you can write it down Im by 2, and that is equal to 0.5. And guys, you already know RMS, what is form factor? RMS value of the wave upon average value of the wave. Okay, see here. And what is peak factor? You also know Vm, the ratio of maximum value upon RMS value. So Vm is the maximum value, and RMS value is Vm by root 2. So the peak factor is equal to 1.414. So guys, this will be the answer. Chaliye, so guys, now we will see how to calculate average and RMS value of this particular waveform. So guys, यहाँ पर आपको एक square wave दिया गया है. You can see over here on x-axis there is a time in seconds, on y-axis there is a voltage. And guys, सबसे पहले आपको we have to identify the time period for this waveform. एक पूरा जो साइकिल है वो हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा गाइस, कि कहां से ये जो वेवफॉर्म है वो रिपीट होना शुरू हो रही है, फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज बीइंग रिपीटेड. सो गाइस, बेसिकली फ्रॉम 0 to 0.1 आप देख सकते हैं द स्क्वायर वेवफॉर्म, द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वोल्टेज इज 20 वोल्ट. फ्रॉम 0.1 to 0.2 it is 0. From 0.2 to 0.3 it is again 0. So guys, now the waveform is being repeated from 0.3 second. So guys, आपका total time period जो होगा यहाँ पर वो होगा 0.3 second. Okay, so just see here, from 0 to 0.1 what is the value of voltage? 20 volt. See here. Okay, then from 0.1 to 0.2 the voltage is 0. From 0.2 to 0.3 again voltage is 0. So guys, केवल आपको इंटीग्रेट करना है 0 से 0.1 तक के बीच के लिए. So same formula apply here. V average is equal to 1 upon t, 0 to t, V into dt. So guys, t is time period. Okay, for one complete cycle it is t. So one complete cycle is equal to of 0.3 second. So put 0.3 in place of t, and then बाकी तो आपका जीरो है गाइस, 0.1 से 0.2 और 0.2 से 0.3 आपका जीरो है. So no need to calculate this. Okay, so only calculate the integration part from 0 to 0.1 second, and then the magnitude of voltage, put the value of V equal to 20 into dt. So guys, जैसे ही आप इंटीग्रेट करते हैं 20 into 0.1, okay, here put the limit, इसका हो जाएगा t dt, the integration of, okay, so dt is t dt, and then put the limit 0.1, so 20 is multiplied by 0.1, and then it becomes 6.67 volt. And then guys, see the RMS value. How RMS value is calculated? See here, V square equal to, और आप लिख सकते हैं V equal to under root of 1 upon t 0 to t V square dt. So guys, यहाँ पर the value of voltage is squared, already squared. So see here, just put the limit, 1 upon 0.3 is the time period, 0 to 0.1. अब आपको 20 का स्क्वायर रखना है. This is the square, 20 square dt. So guys, it becomes, then again integrate 400. So here it becomes 400 into 0.1, and then the answer is 11.5 something volt. So you can easily calculate. आप करके देख सकते हैं guys इसको. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay guys, so now we have the second problem. So for the particular waveform, calculate the average and effective values of the sawtooth waveform shown in figure 6.38, and the voltage completes the cycle by falling back to zero instantaneously after regular interval of time. So guys, you can see over here, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, this is a waveform. Okay, this is called sawtooth waveform. और यहाँ पर टाइम जो दिया गया है गाइस एक्स एक्सिस पर है और वोल्टेज की वैल्यू वाई एक्सिस पर है. तो सबसे पहले गाइस यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द टाइम पीरियड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर वेव फॉर्म. सो हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई द टाइम पीरियड? मींस वन फुल साइकिल, मतलब जहां से ये वेव फॉर्म रिपीट होना शुरू होती है. ओके, सो दैट विल बी द टाइम पीरियड फॉर द पर्टिकुलर वेव फॉर्म. सो गाइस वी विल सी. ओके, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जीरो. ओके, एंड देन ends here at 2 seconds, and then again starts repeating from 2 seconds. So guys, the waveform is being repeated from 2 seconds, and then 4 seconds, then 6 seconds. So guys, the total time period will be equal to 2 seconds guys, 0 to 2. So this is the full cycle. Okay, you can see this is the full cycle, 0 to 2 seconds is one complete cycle, and then the voltage, the maximum value is 200 for this. At 2 seconds the value of voltage is 200, but for 0 to 2 seconds we will have to identify, we will have to calculate the slope, because guys the value is not constant during this period. So just see the second slide where you can see, let us calculate equation for the instantaneous value of the voltage. So guys, because this is there is a ramp, so what happens, the voltage, see here, the voltage increases linearly from 0 to 200 volt in 2 seconds. So guys, the slope between 0 to 2 seconds you can write down y is equal to, you already know, y equal to, we know, mx, where m is the slope. Okay, so you see here m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. तो जो फॉर्मूला होता है गाइस, m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So guys, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं in your previous slide you can see y2 minus y1. What is y2? y2 is 200, y1 is 0. So 200 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0. So guys, it becomes 200 minus 0 upon 2 minus 0. So it becomes 100. So अब आप लिख सकते हैं y equal to mx. So y means v voltage है, that is called instantaneous value of voltage, into 100 is the slope into t. So this is your instantaneous voltage, v is equal to 100t. This is the equation. So guys, now it will be easier for you to calculate the average value. आप देख सकते हैं the same formula, area under the curve divided by base or time period. So what is the time period? 2. Then integrate So 0 to t, 1 upon t means 1 upon 2, 0 to t, 0 to 2, 100 into t into dt. So guys, just integrate this. So the integration of t, that will be equal to t square by 2, and all the numerical values will be outside from the integration, and then it will be equal to 50 into 2. So 100 volt will be the average value, you can see. And then RMS value आप देख सकते हैं guys, under root of 1 upon 2, that is t. Okay, 1 upon t, 0 to t, I square dt or v square dt. So guys, here 100t is squared into dt, and then just calculate the integration part. So the t square, the integration of t square will become t cube divided by 3, and then put the limits, and then you will get a 115.47 volt. So guys, this will be the RMS value of this particular waveform. So guys, next question is calculate the average value and RMS value and form factor of the output of a half wave rectifier when when input to rectifier is purely sinusoidal alternating current. So guys, ये जो हाफ वेव रेक्टिफाइड वेव है, इसका हम ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं, लेकिन एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं. So how will you calculate? So basically this is the half wave rectified wave, and the total cycle is, see here, the total cycle is when this wave is going to be repeated from 2 pi. So up to 2 pi, the complete cycle will be from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so time period will be equal to 2 pi. This is important point, and this is not a periodic waveform. Okay, so guys, so total period, so now you have to integrate from 0 to pi plus interval from pi to 2 pi, and there is no waveform. The value of current is actually 0 during this interval. See here, from pi to 2 pi, I is 0. So you will need to integrate, okay, during interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now see guys, see here the average value, how will you calculate? So see the formula, area under the curve over a cycle divided by length of base over a cycle. So guys, here you can see 0 से pi into I d theta जो है, ये पहला पार्ट है. सेकेंड पार्ट जो है वो pi to 2 pi है, जहां पर वैल्यू करंट की 0 है. You can see guys. Okay, so and then there divided by 2 pi. 2 pi is the time period, you can see. So guys, आपको इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi I d theta, and then just put the value of instantaneous equation over here. So in place of I am sine theta d theta, it becomes then integrated. So, okay, we already seen this. So the value of average value of half wave rectified wave will be equal to Im upon pi. So average value is equal to 0.318 Im. And then see here guys, how you calculate RMS value or root mean square value of this current. Okay, so see, take under root of area of curve over a square wave cycle divided by length of base over a cycle. So guys, here the current squared will be there, then again it will be in two parts. So 0 to pi I square d theta plus pi to 2 pi, the value of current is 0. Okay, so the whole integration from pi to 2 pi becomes 0, and then under root 1 upon 2 pi 0 to pi I square m sine square theta d theta, and then just integrate. Okay, replace this sine square theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, and then guys just integrate. Okay, then you will get this. Okay, just integrate, you can calculate, and then you will get this Im upon 2, that is 0.5 Im. So guys, this is the this is how you calculate RMS value of this half wave rectified wave.